This is Joshua aka Yak, and welcome to Yak Academia, where I take you from novice to expert in the Adobe Creative Cloud. In these courses, you will learn to become an expert editor, and you will also learn my personal methods on how I have made tens of thousands of dollars editing for award shows, red carpet events, and my bookings with celebrity clientele. In these courses, you'll learn how to start making cash with Adobe Lightroom Classic, Adobe Media Encoder, and one of my personal favorites, Adobe Premiere Pro. The photography workshop includes 45 downloadable photos for you to edit alongside me as we progress through these editing courses. The video editing workshop includes a downloadable folder of clips for you to edit alongside me as we progress through this editing course. We're not finished yet. Check this out. Come a little closer. The video editing workshop also includes my personal grand effects pack, which blesses you with hundreds of sound effects, music, video effects, green screen effects, and transition projects. Look, man, sign me up. And this is my own course. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started right now. I'll see you all in a bit.